Welcome to this performance test for the Volkswagen Golf R. This particular version is the manual gearbox version, so it has a 0 to 60 time of 5.1 seconds with 306 brake horsepower. What we're going to do is take the car out for a drive and I'll try and give you an idea of what it can do. Okay, so just before we take it out for a drive, I just want to talk about driving modes. If you give that button a push, you're given various modes on here: eco, normal, race and individual. Now, although this is a video highlighting the performance of this car, we're going to do it in a normal fashion, you know, in terms of speed limits and what have you. We're going to leave the car in normal mode. We're not looking to break any land speed records. The point is to show how easily this car is able to accelerate. It's worth also pointing out that in terms of performance and enhanced performance, this vehicle has got the 4Motion technology, meaning it's the 4-wheel drive version of this car. In fact, the Golf R is a 4-wheel drive car, I should say. What we're going to do now is take the car out for a drive. I'll highlight the camera, or I'll focus the camera on the speedometer so that you can see what's going on. The first thing we're going to do is a 0 to 40 test, so here we go. There you go. Incredibly quick acceleration. My apologies for the vibration with the camera. It's hard for the stand on the camera to keep still when you're on a bumpy road. So this next test that we're going to do takes us from an almost standing start out of a junction and up to a 60 mile an hour speed limit. So we're going to take the car up to 60 miles an hour. So for this last test, we're in third gear. I'm going to take the car from 30 to the speed limit of 50. And I should point out that that was probably me pushing the accelerator down about a centimetre or two at the most.